Hello, in this video we are going to solve examples using formulas of inverse functions under the concept hyperbolic functions. So this is our given example in which we are given with the value of hyperbolic sin x, which is 3. So we can represent this function in terms of inverse function such as x equal to inverse hyperbolic function sin 3. So let us name this equation as equation 1. And then using the formula of inverse hyperbolic function of sin x, which is equal to log x plus under root x square plus 1 to the base e. So this is the formula which we proved in our earlier video. So by observing in the formula where we have x and then in equation 1 we have 3 in place of x. So by just putting the value of x equal to 3 and converting the inverse function in terms of log, the equation 1 would become x equal to log x, which is 3 plus under root x square, that is 3 square plus 1 to the base e. So that implies this would become as x equal to log 3 plus under root 3 square, which is 9 plus 1 to the base e. And then it would become as x equal to log 3 plus under root 10 to the base e. And we have proved the value of x is equal to log 3 plus root 10 to the base e. And now let us proceed and discuss one more example. So here we have to show the value of inverse hyperbolic tan 1 by 2 in terms of log. So we already know the formula, which is inverse hyperbolic tan x is equal to 1 by 2 log 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x to the base e. And here by observing both the functions on LHS side, we have x equal to 1 by 2. So by just putting x equal to 1 by 2 in the formula, we get inverse hyperbolic tan x, which is 1 by 2, is equal to 1 by 2 into log 1 plus x, which is 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 to the base e. And now let us simplify on the RHS side. So we get 1 by 2 log, and here by taking the LCM we get 2 plus 1 divided by 2 in the numerator, then whole divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 to the base e. So this would become 1 by 2 log 3 by 2 into the reciprocal of denominator, which would be 2 by 1 to the base e. And then 2 and 2 gets cancelled and we get 1 by 2 log 3 to the base e, which is nothing but the value on the RHS side. So hence we proved that the value of inverse hyperbolic tan 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 log 3 to the base e. And make a note of the formula of inverse hyperbolic sin x and the formula of inverse hyperbolic tan x, as these formulas are useful in solving examples in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.